Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 30 from our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. And now the part we're going to be looking at today, we've kind of covered also a more intermediate version of it. But in today's video, we'll be able to chamfer every single corner, should I say, individually. So if we go to the part here, I'm going to go to Flat Parts, and we look for P30, which is over here. And as you guys can see here, P53 is the more intermediate version, which we did cover. And this might, that's intermediate. And then if we go here to P30, you guys can see it gets quite a bit more complex, especially if you look here on the right. There's quite a few different settings. Now the actual shape itself is not that complicated. It's just what they've done is they've allowed you to adjust every single corner, which is 4 of them, individually. So you can adjust the height and width of each chamfering for this shape. So let's just add a quick one. I'm gonna go 300. This is for the A, so it's the width, the height. B, make that 200. And then what I'm gonna do, just for the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna keep all these corners the same. Or maybe what we can do is to make the bottom ones separate to the top ones. So let's make the height, let's see, so we're looking for D, which is the height. If I zoom in here, so D and J want to make the same, and K and C. So let's go to D. Let's make this a bit bigger, so I'm going to go 80. And then I said J, make that 80. Now K and C. So let's go to K over here. It's about 10. I'm going to make it quite small. And then C, also 10. The next up we want to do is set top ones. So we've got H and E and G and F. So H and E we're going to set the same. So let's go to H. Let's make this, I'm going to round these like a nice angle. So H, E, and then F or G and F. Let's quickly preview that. Now we can see we've got an interesting shape coming along there. Obviously I'm doing everything currently mirrored, you can say. So I'm keeping left same as the right. Where the power of this shape is, or this part, is that you can do every single corner the way you want it to. But yeah, otherwise that is it on part 30. I'm just going to add one quick to our actual cutting board, just so we have it on here. I think that's going to fit in anywhere there, so let's squeeze it up here. Cool, there we go. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.